Hey guys, now we're going to do number 3 on the paper, which is a subtracting problem. Again, adding and subtracting, you have to line up your decimals. So this is a little bit different, but think about in 14, where's our decimal? It's right behind it. Sorry about that. Our decimal is right behind it. Well, let me draw in the picture. So maybe 14, and then your decimal. Remember, with all whole numbers, your decimal is behind it. So we're going to have our second number. Okay, so again, just like on the last one, we're going to put zeros as our placeholders. You have to put those there because we're subtracting. You cannot show the subtraction without those zeros. So now we can't do 0 minus 5. So we have to go all the way over, and the 4 becomes a 3. So then this one becomes a 10, but we can't keep it a 10 because we got to keep borrowing. So it becomes a 9. This one becomes a 10. Can't keep it. Becomes a 9 again, and then we have it finally a 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 2 is 7. We're going to bring our decimal straight down. 3 minus 3 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. So our answer is 10 and 765 thousandths. Go ahead and try the next one. Make sure you line up your decimals and add any zero placeholders, and then make sure you borrow correctly. Go ahead and do the next one and then check the key.